Did you know one king's dead body exploded during his funeral procession because it was rotting so bad? Meet King William the Conqueror, the dude who took England in 1066. Big sword guy. But when he died, he went out in the worst way. They overstuffed his body into a coffin way too small. His corpse had already been rotting for weeks in the summer heat. Right when they tried to jam it into the stone tomb during the funeral ceremony, boom, his stomach literally exploded. In front of the church, the priests, the nobles, everyone got hit with the medieval guts grenade. It stank so bad people just dipped mid-prayer. Lesson: don't skip embalming or coffins that fit.